Hi everyone, Montana here at Howerton Performance. This is something new that we have on the test bench today, something that we're going to start offering. This is kind of based off of our remote e-stop, but then also kind of has its own features. As you can see, this is just mocked up just for testing purposes, but we are going to start offering this. Okay, so basically you have a key. This is going to go in your dash or in the roll bar mount. We can offer this in the roll bar mount just like our remote e-stop. So then you turn this on, and as you can see, your indicator lights come on. So this is going to be really good for guys that have street cars that don't have remote battery disconnects. You can turn your lights on and off. Okay, with the key on, of course, everything works as normal, as you can see. Start button works, ignition works, and then also, everything else works as well. You turn the key off, okay, and your start button does not work. Your ignition is off. However, the other 4 switches you can go ahead and turn on. Now, the reason that I wired it this way is so that your water pump, your fan, you can go ahead and run those. Say you're at the track and you're in between rounds and you need to go ahead and cool your motor off. You can go ahead and let your water pump and fan run. But let's say you want to walk around the pits, whatever, for a minute. You can go ahead and take the key out, where nobody can jump in it, crank it over, or start the ignition or whatever. But you can go ahead and let some of your stuff cool your car down. And then, like I said, you turn your key on, your indicator lights come on, start button works, ignition cranks, or your ignition works. And so then, yeah, you get back home at night or whatever and turn that off, take your key out. Nobody can get in it and crank it over and fire it up, but also your indicator lights go off, so it's not going to be draining your battery. So yeah, this is going to be our integrated key switch, and we're going to start offering this pretty much the same as our remote battery e-stops. And we can wire this differently. We can wire it to where it kills everything, to where your other 4 switches or however many switches you have, where it kills those as well. But the main thing that we were concerned with is killing the indicator lights and also the start, cranking and ignition. So that was the 2 main things that we were concerned with. So yeah, if you have any questions, whatever, you can reach us at on our Facebook, Howerton Performance Wiring Specialist, on our website, howertonperformance.com, or you can give us a phone call, 417-686-0307. Thank you. Have a good day.